Hello everyone. Welcome to this video series on deploying Bold BI in Linux. In this video, I will show you how to get started with deploying Bold BI in Linux. First, let's see an overview of Bold BI. Bold BI is a powerful BI application for analyzing and visualizing your data for easy decision making. It is used to create, manage, and share interactive dashboards, and allows you to focus on visualizing and analyzing the areas to improve business performance with stunning dashboards. Let's see the benefits of using Bold BI in Linux. Linux is an open source software, and hence deploying Bold BI across multiple servers is cost effective, cutting down licensing costs. It provides reliable security as it can implement security measures like firewalls and intrusion detection system. It provides organized memory management and optimized task scheduling, resulting in better performance and scalability. Now let me show you the supported Linux distributions. Bold BI can run in the following Linux distribution: Ubuntu, CentOS. You can find the prerequisites for using Bold BI in Linux from the help documentation link provided in this video's description. I hope you liked this video about Bold BI, benefits, and prerequisites of using it in Linux. In the upcoming videos, I will show you how to set up environments and deploying Bold BI in the supported Linux distributions. Please leave a comment with any question you may have or if there are any additional features you would like to see in Bold BI. Thanks for watching.